Imagine producing complex carbon fiber and other composite parts at production speeds and volumes. Impossible Objects' groundbreaking patented composite-based additive manufacturing technology, CBAM, produces strong, lightweight 3D composite parts that are printed up to 10 times faster and available in a wider selection of materials than conventional 3D printing. Here's how it works. The process starts with a CAD model of the part. The model is sliced into thin layers and prepared for printing. The machine starts with a stack of sheets. The images of the layers are printed with an aqueous fluid onto fiber sheets. The sheets pass through a powdering system where polymer powder is flooded onto the sheet. The powder sticks to the sheet where the fluid is deposited. The excess powder is vacuumed off and the polymer is selectively deposited on the sheet. Microscopically, you can see polymer particles penetrating the sheet. The process is repeated for all of the layers of the part. The sheets are then stacked to complete the entire printed geometry. The final stack is compressed and heated to the melting point of the polymer. The particles melt and encase the fibers to fuse the layers together into a solid part. The fused spill block moves into the sandblasting unit. The uncoated fibers are removed, revealing the finished part. Impossible Objects' CBAM printing process produces stronger parts faster than traditional 3D printing methods with a broader range of material options. For more information, please contact Impossible Objects today.